Hi, my name is Halpern. I'm with Brown Harris Stevens. I'm representing this apartment, and I'm also the owner of this apartment. So I'm the owner broker. You came into this really nice foyer. It's great to have a foyer. And when you come in, you're gonna see what a great wide open space it is. You have 11-foot floor ceilings. You have incredible light that comes in all day. You see that light over there? Look at that. I think probably what I'm gonna miss the most, and for those of you who've been over here, you'll know, it's the fireplace because it's just so special. So now that we got the fire going, and over here, we have a nice space for a bar, which is wonderful for entertaining as well. So one of the things that we like to do is watch, movies or video on above the fireplace. So we can close the shades. I'm not going to close them all the way, but you get the idea. And then we like to watch ships and big seas because it's very entertaining. With the fire, it's very dramatic. All right, so now we're in the kitchen. This is just a great place to cook. You have really nice white marble with a white marble backsplash. This is a 4-burner Blue Star stove. Later, I'm going to come back and do a little cooking demonstration. But for now, why don't we take a look at the closet? Because it's really special. It's very rare to have a closet this big in the city. You have room for all your stuff. This apartment also has a washer dryer, another deep closet there, and great storage space above. And we have a special treat for you. This whole house is wired for sound. We have speakers. I don't know about you, but I need music all the time. Now, see this bathroom full height? And, okay, so you've got a walk-in glass shower. You have a marble chevron floor. It's a great shower, I have to say. And now we're gonna open the bedroom. So you can do it like so, you can have fun with it. Why don't we walk into the bedroom now? I'm going to open the bedroom up completely. I don't usually do that, but sometimes we do. It's just a great bedroom and it gets plenty of light, or you can blacken it completely. And I like having that option. I like having the fan up there too with the light. We've pretty much seen the place. I want to do our little cooking demonstration. Nothing says winter more than hot chocolate. Okay, first you want to get the best milk you can. It's very handy to have one of these. Cocoa and nutmeg. Kick it up a notch with a little bit of cream. Now you gotta be really careful here that you don't make a mess, which I'm probably about to right now, but let's see. Boom. Stir. Now we just gotta wait for that to boil. Yes. Yes. Oh, living on the edge, right? Little bit of shaved nutmeg. You've seen the apartment, but what's really special, and honestly, I'm really gonna miss it a lot, is the neighborhood. We're in Hell's Kitchen, but we're in West Hell's Kitchen. We're west of 10th Avenue. 10th Avenue has restaurants, and of course 9th Avenue is hopping. You can go to theater and Broadway. Lincoln Center is nearby. Probably the best thing about living on this block on 47th Street is having Sullivan Street Bakery right next door. It is amazing. What do you say we go down, take a look at the river? It's a beautiful day. I realized that I got so excited making that hot chocolate that I forgot to tell you about the amenities. So the building has a virtual doorman, a package room, and it also has a bike room. If you have any other questions, if you want to see the place, feel free to contact me. I'm Halpern with Brown Harris Stevens.